I've got the Makita today, the pen nailer, brad nailer, whatever you want to call it. Shoots 18 gauge. Using with the compressor at somewhere around 90 psi, probably. Around 90. As you can see right here, I've got 3 pins shooting at an angle. One inside, and one inside. Each one didn't just go on vertically, it just going on an angle. So it really holds up, man. It really holds up. This thing ain't gonna fall at any time. Just 3 pins. 1, 2, and 3 right here. You can see the heads of them. Put a few more here, 3 right there. Didn't go anywhere. Got a bunch of ones right here. A few ones I tried lower pressure and they stick it up. That's it. Well, I'm gonna be using with those plywood 15 millimeters, and I'm gonna put these things on the ceiling roof. I did this painting to match a little bit the color of the wood. This was white and this is much better. So 3 ones, realize you're going to be right on that. I am doing the wiring. This old house is totally out of a square, so I got to make a puzzle to fit and take care of that infiltration. Oops. And I'm getting the wires in. These ones are new. And it's gonna be 2 right there below here, 1 right here in the middle, because we already have 2 right there. So that's pretty much it. That's a nice setup. And good quality. Hope to last a long time. Brad nailer or a pin nailer. 16 gauge. Let's see what it says here. It says what? Oh, it says what it says there. 15 to 50 millimeters. 2 inches. 18 gauge. It doesn't say the gauge right there. It is an 18 gauge. That's it.